It is with greatest level of discontent that we receive an update of purported granting of entry visa to former Vice President Abubakar Atiku to the United States of America just last Friday. We were jolted that America, being the bastion of democracy, rule of law, and transparency in public administration, can debauch into the habits of being used by discredited and renowned financial criminals in our country to score cheap political goals. We are really disturbed. However, our melancholic state transmuted into that of ecstasy upon establishing that such info was just a hoax and an attempt to test the water of public opinion in the eventuality of such requests being granted, undeservedly granted. We write to officially and strongly advise the United States of America Embassy against granting this request. That is the request for Abubakar Atiku's visa. Enough price to sustain their democracy. My interest is that I don't want some discredited local politician to use American good name to score cheap political goal. Okay. My interest is that I want an independent election, not being swayed by some orchestrated move by renowned and proven economic sabotage. Is it now on the eve of election that they want to grant that visa? Yes. We are smelling rats, and we are saying that they want to use the name of America to score cheap political goal. That is why we are here to say that America should not fall for that prey.
What's your evidence?
A day after the election, they can grant visa to whoever they like.
People are
asking us to talk about issues now.
On page 31 of former President Obasanjo's book, My Wash, he wrote it that what Atiku stole under my government is enough. Wait, it's whether proven or not proven. The same Atiku went to go and beg Obasanjo.
Yes.
If it is not proven, I expect Atiku to challenge Obasanjo's allegation in court of law. Yes. Look, let us call a spade a spade. Instead of saying that it's an agricultural equipment. If Atiku knows that he is clean, he should have gone to court of law to clear his name. America proved it. Senator William Jefferson has been sentenced to jail. Is that not a proven case? He was caught in Atiku's house, collecting bribe. Is that not a proven case? Whatever proven case do we want?
So what's the big deal about an American visa?
The big deal is that people want to use American name to score cheap political goal.
Yes.
We don't want it.
How?
Yes. By granting him visa which they have denied him for 14 years.
How is it a plus to Atiku if he has an American visa?
Wait,
it's
a plus to him, not necessarily out of fear or anything, but it's a plus in that corruption has been a major mantra that people of Nigeria are fighting against. Yes. And somebody who has been established to have been corrupt in the past, it's not only allegation. Yes. PTDR probe is still there. We can check the probe report.
No, about probe, there are courts in Nigeria. Which court has convicted Atiku?
No court have proven him that is clean of the American allegation. I think we should go to the court of law to clear his name.
So why are you not protesting that he should be taken to court? Why are you protesting that he should not be given visa? Why are you not protesting that he should be taken to court?
Let us Nigerian people, articulate Nigerian people. There is a saying in our language. If you take the other step, they will say, why don't you take the other step? For 14 years, people have asked, why can't Atiku go to America? His principal, when he was in office, former President Obasanjo, who is now trying to be his torch bearer, equally claimed that Atiku cannot enter America. Atiku did not go to court to sue Obasanjo of slander. What he did is to gather prophet and prophetess to go and beg Obasanjo. Obasanjo wrote it in his book that the most corrupt politician he has ever served with is Atiku. This is slanderous. Yes, so these are slanderous. Now,
the standard.
Obasanjo is not a judge, but if Atiku, those are criminal allegations, my friend.
But even then Atiku is Atiku's prerogative.
Yes, America. War against corruption. No untouchable. War against corruption. No untouchable. Greatest Nigerian people. Yes. Well, if you look at the chemical transmutation of cold water into gas, what you find out is that by the time you put it on it, you will see the molecules of the water moving up, down, left, right. By the time it gets to 100 degrees centigrade, what will happen? The molecule will turn into vapor and it will evaporate. Nigeria will surely get to the promised land. Nobody can derail the war against corruption. Nobody is saying that Atiku should not contest election. Nobody is saying that it should be banned. What we are saying is that Atiku should not use the name of America to stop cheap political goal. That